Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the must product which you should have in your first aid kit. It's none other than Patanjali Peedantak Ointment. This ointment is a herbal formulation which gives instant pain relief. This ointment is purely organic and causes no side effects. Massaging the ointment at the affected areas increases blood circulation and warmth and joint tissues. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the must product which you should have in your first aid kit. It's none other than Patanjali Peedantak Ointment. This ointment is an herbal formulation which gives instant pain relief. This ointment is purely organic and causes no side effects. Massaging the ointment at the affected areas increases blood circulation and warmth and joint tissues. This pain reliever ointment penetrates deep in the tissues and eases joint stiffness and swelling. It helps in giving relief in back aches and muscle pain. It helps in normal functioning of joints. On the right hand side of this packaging, they have mentioned the composition which they have used in this ointment. If you want to read, then please pause this video and read it out. On the left hand side of this packaging, they have mentioned the cost of the product, that is ₹70, and the net weight is 50 gram. Now let's see how this product looks from inside. This Ayurvedic ointment comes in a simple yet convenient tube packaging like most of the muscular pain creams. This is how this cream looks like. The tube is white in color and cream is off-white and smells Ayurvedic. It smells like garlic. Application and result. On application, this cream gives a very cooling sensation like most of the other muscular pain creams and lotions. Patanjali Peedantak Ointment is available on any Patanjali stores and even online. I have given purchase link in the description box below. So guys, do tell me which ointment do you use at home for pain, and do tell me how was my review. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family.